Hi guys, Ronnie here. Welcome to the channel. So not a long video today. It's just one that I hope to encourage you to at least consider using the French cleat next time you build a project that's going to be hanging on the wall, whether it's a cabinet, picture, or a heavy mirror like this. This one's 21 pounds, so that's one of the advantages. Now I did a video on how to build a coat rack, rustic coat rack, beginner friendly video. And in that video, I touched briefly on the French cleat. I really like this method of hanging objects on the wall. So I'm going to take this mirror down, show you the back, show you what's all involved really quickly, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, here's what I got going on behind the mirror and on the wall. It's real simple, as you can see. I took a board about 6 inches wide, 3/4 inch piece of plywood, and I ripped it down in the middle at a 45-degree angle. So I put one of that on this side, on the wall side, with the point on the outside sticking up. And then the other half I integrated into the back of the mirror with the point side going down. And that just fits right into the slot here. And this holds a lot of weight. I can pretty much hang off this board here. So I've got two 3-inch screws on each side going in. They're 16 inches on center to go into the studs in my wall. And I made this board on the wall a couple inches narrower than the opening behind the mirror. And I will show you why I did that coming up now. All right, guys, here's the wall side of the French cleat. I've got 2 screws on each side going in the studs. You can see that the studs are not centered on this narrow wall space. So I made the board on the wall a little bit narrower, a few inches narrower, I think, than the opening on the back of the mirror. And that gives me ability to slide the mirror either way to center it on the wall. Now, as far as the screws go, I use 3-inch screws going into, because I got to go through the 3/4 inch plywood, approximately 1/2 inch drywall into the stud. That lets me go about, what, 1 3/4 inch into the stud, about halfway. So 2 on each side. Again, it's really strong. I could pretty much hang off that thing and it would hold it. So let me show you what I mean about centering the mirror on the wall. Now you can see how the wall cleat is narrower than the mirror itself. So when I put it up on it, man, this thing is not light. I'm telling you, it's 21 pounds. So once I get the cleat in, I can slide it side to side, as you can see here, until I get the equal amount of space on each side of the wall, and it works great.